Travel funds and flight credits. Quick difference in Southwest Airlines. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Flight credits are funds you can use toward future airfare. Flight credit created on or before May 27, 2025 do not expire. Flight credit created from reservations booked or changed on after May 28, 2025 have a specified expiration date, and all travels must be completed by the expiration date. Also, you may receive a flight credit. You cancel a flight, you downgrade your fare, you cancel a purchase ticket, and flight credit is basically credits that you can fund. And for the travel funds, you can book a flight with travel funds. When booking a flight, you'll see an option to apply travel funds on the payment screen. You can use a total of 3 forms of payment per booking and earn travel fund counts as a form of payment. So travel funds is basically credit points. And this is travel funds and flight credits in Southwest Airlines. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.